Alright, tonight we're going to be making some nachos, some stuffed jalapeno poppers wrapped in some bacon. Let's get to her. Take your chicken here, pat her down. Go pat down, make sure it's not carrying a weapon. Alright, you're going to add a little bit of olive oil there, just a drizzle or two. Get some in the pan too. Give them a flip and a rub. Boom, there we go, just a little toss. Take yourself some garlic powder, give her a little sprinkle. Boom. A little salt, a little pepper, and never forget some smoked paprika. Turn them over and repeat. Grab them, take them, throw them in the oven, 400 degrees. Bake them for like drumsticks, probably be like 30 minutes or so. Who knows, keep an eye on them, check them out. There we go. Chicken's cooking, so we're gonna take some time now and make that salsa. Grab your tomatoes, slice them down to little chunks, not too small, nice little thick ones there. Drain off the excess liquid in there. Plop them in another bowl. Yo! Whoa! Whoa! Got an onion here. Chop, chop. Boom. Take the peel off. And you're gonna want to dice these small, so you make little incision cuts this way, almost all the way through. And another one. And another one. And maybe one more. And we're gonna make a few incision cuts this way, almost all the way through. And then just dice it up. I'm just gonna give another little banger here and separate them all. Throw those in the bowl with the tomatoes. Garlic time. And then you know how we do, we smash them up. Boom, boom. Get them all. Love smashing garlic. Take that pesky peel off. Garlic smash. Guess what time it is? Yo! Now you want to go ahead and dice up your garlic nice and small. Get her all diced up, scrape them up, throw them in the bowl. Get them in there. Love that garlic. And take a lime, cut her in half. No seeds, we can just squeeze them in there. You want to get that lime juice in there pretty quick. Helps make everything stay nice and fresh. Give it a stir. Now you're going to take some cilantro here. Just twist it all up and ball it all up into a big old mess. And you just want to chop it up nice and diced up, nice and small. Get her all diced up nice and small, itty bitty. And scoop them up, throw them in that bowl. Alright, now you got all that mixed up. We're going to throw in some vinegar. Just some white vinegar. Boom, splash it in there a little bit. Help release those flavors. At the same time, we're going to throw in some salt. A little pepper. Give that a stir and really start to smell the aromas coming out of there. Woo! Have a little taste. Hot stuff now. We're doing the jalapenos. So what I like to do is just take that end off, just a little bit. Then we're gonna slice them in half. Then I like to take a little spoon and we're just gonna dig out the white stuff on the inside and the seeds and get it out of there. Alright, once you got all those diced up, just set those aside for now. And you're gonna wanna wash everything. Wash your hands, wash your knife, wash your cutting board, because you're gonna touch your face. Especially if you touch your eye, you'll cry. I swear to God. Now you're gonna take some, what I got, some cream cheese. This happens to be coconut cream cheese. We're gonna make a non-dairy version and a little real cheese version. Here we go. Put a little dollop in the one, the rest in the other. You're gonna take the garlic, put some in there, put some in there. Plant-based cheese. See how it goes. Throw that in this one. Some dairy cheese. I'm gonna throw that into the dairy one here. A little lime juice, a little squirt in there, a little squirt in there. We're gonna add a little garlic powder, a little sprinkle too. Boom. Can't have too much garlic. And sprinkle a little bit of cumin, just a little bit there. There we go. And some smoked paprika in there too. We'll start with the vegan one, give her a mix up. We got the real cheese one there. Gotta give it a stir up too. Take your jalapenos cut in half there. This is non-dairy version. You're just gonna stuff your peppers like that. Get that cheesy solution in there. All right, you're gonna take your real cheese, your real dairy one here too, and do the same thing. Just load them up. All right, your chicken's already done there. I bet you better check on it. There she is. Take her out and let her sit. Cool down a little bit. All right, we're gonna start with the non-dairy ones. We're gonna go ahead and just wrap those in bacon. Place them in the pan there, in the cast iron. Yo! Got your bacon wrap, don't forget. Non-dairy, dairy, don't forget. You're gonna throw her in the oven, 400 degrees, for like 20-25 minutes or something, till the bacon's nice and crispy. You're gonna take your chicken, cut off all the meat there, just peel it off, should come off pretty easy. You're gonna take all your chicken there and just chop it up into little bits. All right, we're gonna take a little onion. We're just gonna do a couple slices, a couple dices. Boom, choppy, choppy. Get yourself some tin foil. Gonna line the pan with tin foil for the nachos. There we go. Take a bag of nachos. Spread them out. All right, you want to spread your chips out. We got two batches going, the non-dairy and the dairy. And I don't know about this non-dairy stuff, but we're gonna try. I like to put a little sprinkle on first. And you want to stay around the perimeter, because when cheese cooks, it goes to the center. So you start at the perimeter, don't even worry about the center. Center will take care of itself. Do the same thing with the dairy cheese. Take a little sprinkle. You want a little sprinkle on top. You're gonna take your onions, give them a sprinkle, give them a sprinkle. Some sliced olives here, dump them on there. So we're gonna load her up. Now we're gonna take our chicken, spread a little bit on this one. And we're gonna take some more and spread them out on this one. All right, now you wanna load her up with some more cheese there. We're gonna put some more on this non-dairy version. Do the same with the dairy cheese. Again, keep it on the edge. What I like to do is I like to put a little jalapeno on there too. So sprinkle some on top. All right, so your bacon's starting to crisp up. Oh, there's cheese everywhere. There we go, let that cool a little bit. While those are resting, you want to jam in your nachos. We got your cheesy ones and your non-dairy. You want to switch that to a broil, get the cheese all melty. Got a couple minutes to wait for the nachos. Oh, that's some good stuff, a little hash, a little woo. All right, hope you're watching your nachos because they can burn real quick. We're gonna take the cheesy ones out. The cheesy ones look good, non-dairy. Looking not too bad there, not too shabby. Got a couple jalapeno poppers on there. Gonna crack beer, plate this up though. Woo! Yeah! We're gonna take some nachos and plate this up. Take a nice healthy scoop. There we go, a lot of cheese, a lot of tin foil there. All right, you're gonna take some of that salsa, put it in a little bowl here. Get a nice healthy dose there. Just throw that in there. And there you have it, nachos. Dairy jalapeno poppers, non-dairy. We got some non-dairy nachos. There you have it. Hope you enjoy.